A very good morning to all of you. Today we will complete the topic gestures. What is the meaning of a gesture? What are the types of the gestures? And what they meant in various cultures. So, when our body is in movement, or if we want to convey something with the help of our hands, eyes, head, and other parts of our body without saying something, then this phenomena is known as gesture. So, we can say that gesture is non-vocal bodily movement. Non-vocal means we are not speaking. Secondly, bodily movement. So, gestures may be categorized into many types, but today we will discuss a few formal gestures, friendly gestures, and some other gestures. So, in formal gesture, the first I describe the bowing, Bowing. Bowing gesture means we are in our head and our torso is in downward motion before a person or a symbol. Example, for sometimes we bow our head like this. So this gesture, this body part known as torso and the head, both are in movement before a person or before a symbol. So this gesture is known as bowing. Further, handshake. We all are familiar with this type of gesture, handshake. This is formal gesture, but oftenly it is also used by friends also. But for the sake of our discussion, we are concerning only for the point of the business activities. So, in such type of scenario, we do it commonly when a meeting is going to held, or when we meet the people during a meeting, then we shake hand. Or greeting, or parting, Parting. Offering, something offering. Congratulations, or expressing our gratitudes. After completing an agreement. For example, you complete an agreement with the other party or with the other person, and it is the time of the departure. So at that time we shake the hand. Now, the second type of a few gestures, like as friendly gestures. So in friendly gestures, there is somewhat less formality. So first friendly gesture is thumbs up. So when our thumb is upward and the rest of the fingers are clenched, so this type of gesture is known as thumbs up. It means approval in most cultures. But in Germany, it means one. Also, an Italian expresses one by this gesture. But if we talk about Japan, so in Japan it means five, FIVE. So we see that in different cultures is a gesture indicates the different meaning. So in this time of globalization, this type of knowledge should be acquired. Okay, let us. The second friendly gesture is okay. This okay gesture has a vast meaning, or you can say that in different cultures it has different meanings. So the gesture is okay gesture is like that. This is the first finger and the thumb making a circle, and the other fingers are upright. So it is positive in some cultures, but side by side it is offensive and vulgar in other cultures. For the sake of example, in Australia and Germany, it means okay, means positive. But in Brazil, Turkey, and Venezuela, it is treated as vulgar expression. If we talk India, our country, so this gesture indicates in different parts the different things, like as in some parts it indicates unbelievable. The person is not believing when means when unexpected thing is there, or the puzzling thing. But if I talk informally, then we in our this northern part use this type of gesture for indicating that you are the finest, like that, fine. Or when we praise someone, then we use this type of gesture. I am talking this informally. Okay. Now the next friendly gesture is cheek kissing. Every one of you know that. What is the meaning of the cheek kissing? Cheek means this part of our body, and when we kiss this part of the body of the other person, then it indicates somewhat social activity or friendship or a greeting, or to in some cultures it also shows the respect, or to make someone comfort, we use this gesture. For example, if a baby is weeping and we pick the baby and we kiss him or her, so we are providing comfort, COMFORT. So it also confers congratulations. Now the next gesture, fist bump, FIST, fist. This is fist. And bump means this. ये जो उभरा हुआ पार्ट है इसको बम्प बोलते हैं, और जो ये क्लोज कर दिया इसको फिस्ट बोलते हैं. When we, like as for example, if two persons are there and if they are doing this, what it indicates? It indicates the friendly attitude and sharing of somewhat happiness. So you can say that it is just like as a handshake in this respect, or high five. High, H-I-G-H, high, five, F-I-V-E. What is high five? High five is a gesture when we raise our hand like that and we shake our palm with the other person like this. For example, this is the palm of the other person, and this is the palm of the other person, and we are shaking like that. You can see this type of gesture when two friends are engaged in talking and suddenly they adopt this gesture. So they are indicating somewhat excitement or somewhat personal or somewhat you can say that the friendliness. In some cultures, this gesture is replaced by the nose rub. They rub their nose. So, as I earlier said, that in different cultures, gestures indicate different meaning. So, if we discuss some other gestures, for example, the V sign. This is the V sign. Only two fingers are upright and apart. This signifies victory normally. Or in some cultures, the quantity two. We indicate if there is the two. If suppose I have two, if I want to say that I have two books, so I will say that two. So, but it is sometimes in United States and Canada, for example, it indicates peace, but in United Kingdom or Australia, New Zealand, this type of gesture is somewhat insulting. If suppose my palm is inward to me and I am saying this I am showing this type of gesture, it means I am showing my defiance. Defiance. Defiance means खुला इनकार करना और अवज्ञा और कोई बात ना मानना और इंसल्ट करना किसी. So now you can see that different people have different types of taste. That is why the gestures have different meanings in different cultures. So let us talk about the other gesture. Isarg. Isarg means like that. What is this? When you say that, I don't know or I am not bothered about. At that time, हिंदी में अगर हम बोले कंधे उचकाना, इसको कई तरीके से किया जा सकता है. कई बार ऐसे कंधे उचकाए जा सकते हैं, कई बार ऐसे किया जा सकता है. तो हर आदमी अपना तरीके से अलग अलग इस जेस्चर को करता है. तो इसका मतलब होता है कि नॉट मैं आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट नोइंग द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, or I don't care, or I don't bother. So today we have discussed a few gestures. Hope that it will be beneficial for you. And in conclusion, I would like to draw your attention on the fact that in some countries friendly gestures are common, but in some countries they are not common. In some parts of the world the friendly gestures are not common. For instance, in southern Europe or in Mediterranean का मतलब है भूमध्य, मतलब ग्लोब को आप देखेंगे तो उसके बीच में से इस तरह से एक लाइन पास है और उस लाइन उस पे वहाँ महासागर है, ओशन. सो उस पर उसके आसपास जो कंट्रीज हैं उनको हम बोल दे रहे हैं कि मेडिटेरेनियन. इसमें जैसे नॉर्थ अफ्रीका आ गया, पोर्टुगीज आ गया, और आप ग्लोब पे देख सकते हैं, मैप में देख सकते हैं. तो और एक मिडल ईस्ट, पहला मैंने बोला साउथर्न यूरोप, दूसरा मेडिटेरेनियन, और तीसरा मिडल ईस्ट, एंड फोर्थ इज लैटिन अमेरिका, in which the Latin language is spoken. So in that part of the America, these friendly gestures are very common, but these friendly gestures are not common in English speaking Canada, United States, or in Asia, or in Northern Europe. These type of gestures are not very popular, you can say that. So hope that this discussion on gestures may be helpful for you or be beneficial for you. Have a nice day.